Ever walked into a massive store, amazed by those towering shelves stacked high with everything you could ever need? Or maybe you have seen a construction site buzzing with activity, materials magically moving into place. Well, behind the scenes of these well oiled machines are the unsung heroes of the logistics world, forklift operators. These skilled professionals are the heart and soul of efficient material handling, ensuring a smooth flow of goods in warehouses, factories, construction sites, and countless other industries. In this exploration of the forklift operator world, we're going to roll up our sleeves and get our hands dirty, taking a close look at what it takes to excel in this demanding yet rewarding career path. We'll break down the daily grind, the skills needed to succeed, and the challenges you might face. Plus, we'll uncover the perks, the pay, and the potential for climbing the ladder in this often overlooked field. So, if you're looking for a job that's both physically and mentally engaging, with the satisfaction of knowing you're a vital cog in the global supply chain, then buckle up. The world of forklift operation just might be the perfect fit for you. Let's dive in and explore what it takes to master the art of forklift operation. Now, you might be thinking, operating a forklift, how hard can it be? Well, let me tell you, there's more to it than meets the eye. A forklift operator's day is a delicate dance of precision, safety, and efficiency. They're the maestros of moving materials, ensuring that everything from raw materials to finished products gets where it needs to be, on time and in perfect condition. A typical day might involve loading and unloading trucks, stacking pallets to dizzying heights, or carefully transporting heavy machinery. They're masters of maneuvering through tight spaces, often in bustling environments with other vehicles and pedestrians zipping around. And don't forget about the paperwork. Forklift operators are responsible for keeping accurate logs of their movements, ensuring that inventory is tracked and accounted for. But it's not just about moving stuff around, safety is paramount in this line of work. Forklift operators are responsible for inspecting their vehicles before each shift, making sure everything is in tip top shape. They're trained to operate their machines with the utmost care, always aware of their surroundings and potential hazards. After all, they're entrusted with the safety of their colleagues and the security of valuable goods. So you're ready to jump behind the wheel of a forklift? Great. But before you do, let's talk about what it takes to succeed in this field. First and foremost, you'll need a high school diploma or equivalent. While some employers might offer on the job training, having some prior experience operating machinery is a definite plus. Beyond the technical skills, there are some key personal qualities that are essential for forklift operators. Attention to detail is crucial, as even a slight miscalculation can have consequences. You need to be able to stay focused for long periods, often in noisy and fast paced environments. And let's not forget about physical stamina. Maneuvering heavy loads can be demanding, requiring strength and endurance. Communication skills are also important, as you'll be interacting with colleagues, supervisors, and potentially even clients. Being able to clearly understand and follow instructions is vital, as is the ability to communicate any issues or concerns. And last but not least, a strong work ethic is a must. Forklift operators are the backbone of many industries, and their reliability and dedication are highly valued. Now that we've covered the skills and experience needed, let's dive into the nitty gritty of the job. As a forklift operator, your primary tool will be, you guessed it, the forklift. These powerful machines come in various sizes and types, each designed for specific tasks. You might be operating a sit down counterbalance forklift, the workhorse of warehouses, or a nimble reach truck, perfect for navigating narrow aisles. But the forklift is just one part of the equation. You'll be working as part of a team, collaborating with other operators, warehouse staff, and supervisors. Clear communication and teamwork are essential for a smooth operation. You'll need to coordinate movements, share information about inventory, and work together to ensure that everything runs like a well oiled machine. Of course, like any job, there are challenges. Long hours, repetitive tasks, and the potential for workplace hazards are all part of the deal. Working in confined spaces, maneuvering heavy loads, and dealing with the constant pressure of deadlines can be stressful. But for those who thrive on physical work, enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done, and appreciate the vital role they play in the global supply chain, the challenges are just part of what makes the job so rewarding.